integrating with the world's top technology and aiming at international high-end products. We are an expert national team and intelligent service provider. We are practitioners for green technology and a leader in the foundry and metal forming industry. We are Sino-Mock Foundry and Metal Forming Company Limited, FMF. Airflow high-pressure squeeze molding automatic production line is the most advanced and mature green sand molding process, suitable for the production of high-precision and complex castings, with the advantages of strong compact sand capacity, high dimensional accuracy of castings, good surface roughness, high template utilization, and good working conditions. Widely used in the production of automobile engine block, cylinder head, wheel hub, brake drum, brake disc, axle, housing, and other castings. It is the most high-performance intelligent foundry complete equipment with clean, high efficiency, and environmental protection. Since 1999, FMF has been designing and manufacturing airflow high-pressure squeeze molding automatic production line with a history of 20 years. And has accumulated abundant practical experience, strong technical force, advanced testing means, stable and reliable product quality. FMF can provide customers with a full range of airflow high-pressure squeeze molding automatic production lines and high-quality professional services with the flask sizes from 700 mm to 2600 mm. This video is taken according to the Airflow high-pressure squeeze molding automatic production line with length and width of the flask 1200 by 800 mm, height of the cope and drag 350 mm, and the productivity is up to 120 molds per hour. This single-station squeeze molding line's productivity is the highest in China, and it could provide an annual output of 100,000 tons of castings. With high technology and good stability, the squeeze molding line adopts a number of national patent technologies owned by FMF. With high configuration, good performance, the main hydraulic and electrical components imported from Germany, all these ensure the high speed and high efficiency operation of the molding line. The OLT test not only speeds up the delivery schedule of the production line at the user site, but also significantly improves the reliability of the production line. FMF is the first one within the industry to launch the FMF EMS Energy Management System to enable users to rationally use energy and reduce energy consumption per unit of product, and successfully help China's manufacturing transformation and upgrading on the road of integration and green energy conservation. Over the years, FMF has been adhering to innovation drive and technology leadership, establishing an international advanced technology and R&D platform, constantly upgrading its technology and management. With the unique design and advanced professional manufacturing technology, FMF could provide the whole solution for intelligent foundry equipment and have the ability for engineering contracting, and always occupied the leading position in the domestic and international markets.